cinematic 3D cartoon animation with insane lip sync.
This is a very special star.
It's so pretty.
It brings peace.
Wow.
And yes, we're finally solving the consistency problem. In the next few minutes, I'll show you a fully professional step-by-step AI workflow for creating 3D animations. This is one of the newest and best setups out there. I'll break down every step, test it live, and show you the best AI generators and how you can access them easily.
I'm Daniel, a 2D and 3D animator.
And I'm Ariana, a video editor and content creator. On this channel, we share our tips, tricks,
And experiences about making animations and videos.
especially with AI.
If you're into that, don't forget to like and subscribe.
It really means a lot to us. Just like always, the very first step is writing our story properly. Then from that story, we need to extract everything: the characters, locations, dialogues, narration, and scene descriptions. At the same time, we also need to write clean and detailed prompts for generating both the storyboard images and the final videos. I did all of that using ChatGPT, and I've shared the full document with you in the description and the pinned comment. And if you want to see exactly how that process works, I've linked the full video at the top of the page where you can find all the prompts as well. Now for this video, I'm gonna do the entire workflow using OpenArt, which is honestly one of the most complete platforms out there. And I'm telling you right now, if you want to create animations with consistent characters and lip sync, you won't need any other AI tools. So let's start by generating the characters. For this, I'm going to use the character feature. I'll click Start with Description and paste in my prompt for the grandma character. This prompt includes all the important details: her appearance, outfit, and even the overall style. All you have to do is choose your AI model, set the style to Pixar, and hit Generate. In just a few seconds, it gives you 4 different options, as you can see here. And if you want more, you can simply hit Regenerate to get new variations. Next, it generates the character from different angles, which is super important. This step makes your storyboard generation way more accurate. Honestly, they all look great, so I'll just click Looks Good, choose the character name, and hit Save Character. Now we do the exact same thing for the main character of the story, the young girl. Technically, you could do this using text to image, but I highly recommend using the character tool instead because it gives you way better consistency and makes everything much easier. So now we have both characters ready and we can start generating the storyboard. Go to the image section and click Create Image. From here, we select the character that appears in Scene 1. Now we paste the image prompt into this box, and wherever the prompt mentions the character, we type at and select grandma, exactly like I'm doing here. And if you already have a specific look in mind, you can also add a reference image. After that, you can customize the size, resolution, and how many generations you want. And I recommend using Nano Banana Pro because it performs incredibly well. And boom, congrats. You just generated Scene 1 beautifully. Honestly, it looks amazing. The consistency is perfect, the lighting is on point, and the overall scene elements are exactly right. And on top of that, you also get a full set of tools here to edit your image, which I'll test later in the video. Now for Scene 2, we need the young girl character. So I select her the same way and generate the second image. And then we continue the rest of the scenes exactly according to the script until the full storyboard is finished. In my opinion, OpenArt did an incredible job. But even if you ever need to fix something, like changing the character pose, facial expression, or even the location, you can easily do it using the tools available right here. Now that our storyboard is fully generated, it's time to convert these 10 scenes into video. So we go to the video section and choose Image to Video. As you can see, all the famous and high quality AI video models are available here. I personally recommend choosing Grok Imagine because the results are just insane. Now we import the first scene image, paste the video prompt in the box below, set the aspect ratio, resolution, and duration, and hit Create.
This emblem holds a special magic. Let me show you.
Grok might automatically add lip sync to your videos sometimes, but don't worry at all because later I'll show you exactly how to replace it cleanly and add your own dialogue. Now, we generate the rest of the scenes the same way, and honestly, I'm extremely happy with the results. The animations are beautiful, the lighting and visual effects are flawless, and even the background elements like birds, tree leaves, or small objects are animated correctly. And the cinematic camera movement, you can literally see how professional it looks. Now that we have all the videos, before doing lip sync, we need to generate the voiceover and dialogues. So right here, we go to the audio section and click Create Voiceover. After choosing the AI model and the voice you want, you can paste your text and generate the audio.
Next generation AI.
OpenArt is a next generation.
One quick tip. To save credits, generate the dialogues separately and generate the narration as one full piece. Now remember, we have two scenes that need lip sync. So in the lip sync video section, you can choose from different AI models. We import the video for scene 1, then upload the dialogue audio for that scene, hit create, and in seconds, we get the new shot with perfect lip sync.
Kids, today I'll tell you the story of this, the emblem of courage.
And this part is honestly insane. The old lip sync is completely removed, everything matches the new dialogue perfectly, and nothing else in the video gets damaged. Even the background characters stay perfectly consistent with the new changes. Now we do the exact same thing for the final scene, which also has lip sync.
And that's why I kept it. Courage and perseverance always win.
Now we go to the OpenArt video editor, and from the history section, we add all the generated shots. Then we bring them into the timeline and arrange them in order. After that, we add the voiceovers, place them under the videos on the timeline, and with the tools available here, we can easily adjust timing, speed, and volume. One more thing, if you want, you can mute the original music and sound effects from the shots and then add your own music on top from this section. All right, I think we're ready. Let's watch the final result together and enjoy it. And as always, until next time, stay creative.
Kids, today I'll tell you the story of this, the emblem of courage. When I was little, I wandered through a jungle full of secrets. One day, I found an old map under an ancient tree. It showed the great pyramids of Egypt and a message. Days later, I stood in the desert, staring at the pyramids. The map led me to a dark entrance, and I stepped inside. Inside, arrows shot from the walls, and I stood frozen, scared. One room had swinging blades, shining and moving in the dark. Then I found a quiet room, and the emblem was waiting, and that's why I kept it. Courage and perseverance always win.